Hi, today I will tell you how to use Facebook to promote or advertise online. It's very easy and working method. Instead of AdWord, Google advertising, this one is more comprehensive, it's cheaper and more accurate and faster, and small budget at the most, which I like. Just with $5, $4 you can start it. And then there's no big procedure to follow. Just go to your account and open your page which you have, and the post each post there at the bottom there a button, Facebook suggesting itself, boost the post. You choose it and click it, and they will show you options uh, to how to use it. Look, it's showing me options, the budget, how much budget I want to apply. So there's the option 5, 19, 10. I can my own budget, I can choose it. For example, I can put 5. Instead of 5 I put $6, €6, and schedule how many days I want to boost. I want to boost in 7 days. So it will ask you choose the account. So I choose my PayPal. They will give you option of PayPal or bank account. You can choose both of any of them. So this is the easy way, and you can choose your audience, which age, which area, which interest people you want to show. So you can choose it. For example, you want to choose 15 to 40-year people, and you want to choose girls or boys, or you want to choose in one specific country. For example, you want to choose USA or Britain or France, you can choose it. So this ad will show only that area, and people come on your page on by this way. So you can get huge response. I will show you one page which I recently put the ad, so you can get whole information about it. Look, this page I made this advertisement few days ago, and it had 100 only people likes. Now it's reached 368, 268 in just 3 days I got, and genuine traffic. So the post which I made, normally I have a 200, 300 reach and 10 likes, but this post which this one I made just a few days ago. I put my budget $7, €7. So it's now showing that 4,795 people were reached, and its post clicks 831, and paid reached 3,000. It's big, huge boost in my this page. So it will show you. Look, the audience summary, where is I put it, which area, Spain, and interests I put some words related to my page, and age restriction I choose, language I choose, and budget I choose, and it's you can set anything you want to do. So this is very easy way you can boost your page with only $5 or $7, and it can give you good results. Instead of paying somebody unknown freelancer and who use fake accounts to give you likes, and which does not benefit you, you can use Facebook. Just clicking on your page and boost your post, and that's all. I hope you will like this lesson. Thank you.